dream, 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 when I want you in my arms, when I want you, I know your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 when I feel in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, chase your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, text your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. Sorry about the vocals as usual, just for reference, okay. Well, welcome boys and girls, and here we are with another wonderful song from the Everly Brothers, of course, a classic song from them, All I Have to Do Is Dream. Standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key as the original recording. It's just in E, okay. So quite straightforward. The way I've done it, obviously it does have some bar chords in it, but is probably the easier way to play it, okay, so for me anyway. They're not too difficult, okay. So it starts off with a single E strum, okay, nice and bright somewhere near the bridge, okay. Then we're into it. Dream, 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 dream. Now a lot of the song is just those four chords: E, C sharp minor, bar chord preferable, but you could play a simple version if you wanted to without the bar, fall down to 1, an A chord and a B chord, so that's 5th fret bar chord major shape and 7th fret bar chord major shape. Obviously you can play it with the A down here and the B7 or a B which is down here if you want, but I think it's, you know, you might as well get to grips with bar chords somewhere along the line. These aren't particularly difficult bar chords, okay. So E to C sharp minor to A to B, and there's a lot of that in the song, okay. Just those four, goes round and round and round, okay. So once again, just go from the start. We'll do the first verse, and nice and simple, and then I'll show you how to make it sound a little bit more like the original, okay. So dream, my arms when I want you, and all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream. That's the first verse, okay, and then we go into another verse exactly the same. So you can see those four chords just go round and round and round for the whole song apart from the bridge section, really, okay. So what I like to do, just to make it sound a little bit more like the original, is when you go to the C sharp minor, you have to make a deliberate single strum on the C sharp minor and then the A, okay. So it's Or it goes. Dream, 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 dream. Got that slowly. So it's just a case of, it's the same chord, but you just have to make room for a separate accentuated strum into the A. Okay, so it's dream, 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 dream. Okay, and I think that makes it more like the original. Okay, so you do that verse, and then you do another verse where it goes dream, dream, dream. Second verse, when I feel blue, and that sort of goes all the way into the verse as well. Okay, so I feel blue in the night when I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. Now this is after the second verse we're going into the bridge section, and it ends up with that E to A to E, sorry, E to A to E, and then E7. All I do is basically remove the third finger from the E chord, open up the fourth string. If you want, you can add your pinky to the third fret on the second string to accentuate it even more. If you want to play that one, by all means do so. But I tend to just play those to take the E chord and then take that finger off. Gives you E7. So it's E to A, back to the E, and then E7. And then we're going into the bridge. Okay, so I'll just show you that bit coming out of the second verse. So in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. Okay, got that. Now we're going into the bridge section, and the bridge section is A, I can make you mine, a G sharp minor, so it's a bar chord on the 4th fret with the 6th fret of the 5th string and 4th string covered by third finger and pinky. Okay, so it's A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then I play a B7 here to E. It goes, I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. And then the E7 again, so 2 beats on E, and then 2 beats on E7, and then back to the A. My trouble is G sharp minor, G wish. Now this time, instead of the F sharp minor, it's an F sharp major. So that's just a full major, but second finger going to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. Major chord, not the minor, it's a major on the second part. And then, so the second part is where it goes, only trouble is G whiz, F sharp, and I like to play this typical late 50s, 60s sort of thing. Very simple little double stop bit, nice little rundown. So I'm playing this, it's basically B, A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, but as double stops. Okay, so I'm playing the 11th fret of the top E string with the 12th fret of the 2nd string, just those 2 strings, 2 hits on each. Take it down 2 frets to the 9th fret on the top E and the 10th fret on the 2nd. Then this shape, I'm using my 1st finger and 3rd finger now, 7th fret top E, 9th fret 2nd string, and then down 2 frets for that same shape, 5th fret top E, 7th fret 2nd string. So it's, and then we're back into another verse. Okay, so it's, let's do that whole, I'll do the from the second verse onwards, okay, and we'll go into the following verse after the middle bridge section. Okay, so it's when in the night and hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, taste your melody. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. And then we come back into this E, A, E, E7, and back into the second note of bridge. Exactly the same again. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime. I mean, if you want to play the B here, you can. I'm playing it here because I'm all down here at the same. Otherwise, you've got lots of movement going on. So I'll have to come down that term. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime. I tend to do the B7 here, okay? E7, A, only trouble is D sharp minor, G is F sharp major, maybe my life run down away. Last verse, I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. And there you have it, my single guitar version of Dream by the Everly Brothers. Hope you enjoyed that. Nice little pretty song that. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.